Searching for the right elderly care can be difficult, but if you know what questions to ask, you'll be amazed at how easy it is to find the perfect solution. With a few simple tips, you'll be instantly confident with your choice. We caught up with a local expert on elderly care to gain insight on finding the right fit that'll make a huge impact.
I've been asked before by people what to look for when trying to find a good personal care service agency. And I respond by telling them it's not difficult to find a good agency if they know the right questions to ask. Asking the right questions is really important because the quality of personal care services can vary greatly. The families we work with all have unique needs, and it's important for everyone concerned that the services provided are addressed in an individualized service plan. Services are not always an 8 to 5 kind of job, and not all personal care agencies are equipped to do it well. For people looking for the best personal care agency for a relative or loved one, I suggest they find out, first, does the agency have a great reputation? What are people saying about them online? Have they had any complaints lodged against them? Second, how long has the agency been providing services? Does the owner and the field staff have experience in the healthcare industry? Does the staff seem genuine and caring, or is it a franchise business opportunity? A company that has a history and understanding of the continuum of care will be very helpful in sharing information with families receiving services. And third, is the caregiver who is assisting you someone you feel comfortable working with? Are they responsive and do they adjust to your individual needs? You'll feel much better about your decision if you find an agency that has understanding, approachable, and responsive caregivers and office staff. Those are the main factors I suggest someone consider, but for anyone needing more information, they can visit us at pridephcservices.com or call us at 210-949-1303 and we can answer any more questions that they may have. Everything we do is focused on providing the best possible personal care services. And in over 15 years of service, we have learned from the families that we serve that they don't care how much we know until they know how much we care. And because we care, we serve with pride.
There you go. Pretty impressive, isn't it? With the right professional, your search will be quick and easy. Would you like to know more? Our expert can be reached at the number on your screen. Until next time.